Well, hello there. My name is Dr. Diallo. I am an academic coach and a test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 with testing code 057? Well, this assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of product and service technology. If so, you've come to the right place because I'm here to walk you through a few sample test questions as well as several test taking strategies. Let's go ahead and begin by taking a look at problem number 1. A company is considering integrating a new customer relationship management (CRM) system to improve its service delivery. What is the most critical aspect to evaluate before making this technology investment? A. The aesthetic design of the CRM software interface. B. The cost of the CRM system relative to competitors' pricing. C. The brand reputation of the CRM software vendor. Or D, the compatibility of the CRM system with existing technology infrastructure. So within the question, we notice that we are being tasked with the idea of integrating a new customer relationship management CRM system to improve its service delivery. So let's look at the answer choices. While evaluating the compatibility of the CRM system with existing technology infrastructure is crucial because it ensures that the new system can seamlessly integrate with current systems and workflows. This compatibility is essential for avoiding disruptions and maximizing the efficiency and effectiveness of the new technology. While answer choices A, B, and C are all important aspects to consider, D, the compatibility of the CRM system with existing technology infrastructure should be considered the most critical aspect because even if the design is aesthetic, the cost is reasonable, and the reputation of the vendor are reasonable and good, if the CRM isn't compatible, then nothing else will matter. A retail company wants to use augmented reality, AR, to enhance its customers' online shopping experience. What is the primary benefit of implementing AR in this context? A, it allows customers to receive personalized marketing messages. B, it helps customers visualize products in their own environment before purchasing. C, it provides detailed product specifications and technical data. Or D, it reduces the overall costs of goods sold. So when we look at our answer choices, we've got to keep those keywords in the question in mind. The primary benefit of implementing augmented reality, AR, and online shopping is that it allows customers to visualize products in their own environment before making a purchase. This enhanced visualization can improve customer confidence in their buying decisions and potentially increase conversion rates. Answer choices A, C, and D already take place with other aspects of customer service, but AR's ability to allow customers to preview a product in the actual place that the project will be makes a true-to-life decision that much easier for the customer. Therefore, answer choice B is the correct answer choice. A service-based business is implementing a new mobile app to streamline customer interactions. Which features should the app prioritize to most effectively improve customer satisfaction? A, detailed analytics and reporting tools for the business owner. B, integration with multiple social media platforms for promotional purposes. C, a user-friendly interface with easy navigation and quick access to key services. Or D, high-end graphic design elements to enhance the app's visual appeal. The idea here is to focus on the word customer, because whatever answer choice we choose has to be what's best for the customer. Well, for a mobile app aimed at improving customer interactions, prioritizing a user-friendly interface with easy navigation and quick access to key services is essential. This feature directly impacts customer satisfaction by ensuring that users can efficiently find and use the app's functionalities, leading to a better overall experience. With answer choices A, B, and D, these are more so for the business owner's aspect, making it better, not what the customer would benefit from. So answer choice C is the correct answer choice. A technology company is developing a new product with advanced features that require regular software updates. What strategy should the company use to manage customer expectations regarding these updates? A, provide detailed release notes and update schedules to customers. B, limit communication about updates to avoid overwhelming customers. C, charge additional fees for software updates to cover development costs. Or D, implement updates silently without notifying customers. Providing detailed release notes and update schedules helps manage customer expectations by keeping them informed about the new features, the improvements, and the fixes. This transparency builds trust and it ensures customers are aware of those ongoing enhancements, which can positively impact their experience with the product. With answer choices B, C, and D, these may end up having negative impacts for the customer, and it could create a lack of confidence and trust, therefore, a possible loss of a customer. So, A is going to be the best answer choice for this question. Well, hopefully you found that video to be informative and helpful. For more practice, check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head on over to study.com and check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% passing rate. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE updates. And please leave your questions and your success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and happy studying.